Today I have a full day eating keto with an easy chaffle recipe. I know you guys are real excited for this chaffle, so let me show you how I do it and what I ate today.
Good morning, friends. Today we're gonna do a full day of eating keto, all such things. Today is Monday, so I never skip a Monday. I feel like if I skip a Monday, I'm kind of setting myself up for failure that week. So we are intermittent fasting. I'm still fasted. I'm gonna go ahead and let me show you what I'm having. I'm gonna have this bang here. I guess we're gonna count this as breaking the fast. It's about 8:45. So I'm gonna start drinking this. I'm gonna go to the gym, get my workout in, and then we're gonna do a full day of eating. Today's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna show you what I'm making myself for breakfast, but we're also gonna go ahead and go to a barbecue today because today's actually Labor Day. And I'll show you, what I'm eating, what I choose to eat while we're out at family barbecues and stuff like that, kind of how to eat at a party. I know that's kind of intimidating for a lot of people, and I'm not bringing a scale, so how I eyeball it and try to stay on plan, okay? So I'm still gonna go ahead and count my macros and account for everything while we're gone, and I'll show you everything when we get home. But yeah, we're gonna try to be as on plan, but out enjoying life. It can be done. Don't freak out and stuff like that. It's everything. Keto is part of your life now. This is just an average thing. You're just going to be mindful of what you're eating. That's it. You don't have to worry about going off plan or all other things. This is just, it's life. How do you live life while being on keto? I'm gonna show you, baby. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna drink this bang. This is the Blue Raz. This is actually the last one of that deal I got on sale at GNC, so I'm pretty sad. We're gonna have to go ahead and stock up. But I will check in with you guys afterwards. Today at the gym is Monday, so I am planning on doing a leg day with the machines. I do legs twice a week. So my legs are feeling really good, they're really strong today, so I figure why not just tear them down since they're feeling really good. Yeah, so all right, I'll see you guys when I see you. Just got back from the gym and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. We're gonna do the chaffle, okay? I know you guys are going crazy for the chaffle, so this is the ever popular Dash Mini waffle maker. If you have a regular waffle maker, use that. Don't be dumb and go and buy one of these like I did because, you wanna be cool. I didn't have a waffle maker, so that's my excuse. So I go ahead and I spray mine. It heats up. So here's the thing with the chaffle, okay? You're gonna add, let me show you. I'm all ready. So I have 4 ounces of this meat. What kind of meat is this, Leo?
I think it's just a round steak.
Okay, 4 ounces of round steak. And I have 1.5 ounces of sharp or Colby Jack cheese shredded. So you're gonna take a little bit of your cheese here. You're gonna put it in. Just add a little bit. Okay. Then you're gonna take an egg. A little bit. I take 1 egg at a time because I have mine on a plate too because I always make a mess because that's how I roll. Just saying. Spread that cheese out. I'm gonna just mix it up. Okay. So you see the cheese is all melted. We're gonna go ahead and drop in our egg mixture. See, you have to add a little bit at a time because it's gonna rise. And then if you add it all in at once, like I always do, it's gonna overflow and then it's gonna be all over this plate and then all over the side of this thing. And what I don't like about this, I'm telling you the truth, guys, okay? I know everybody loves these things. They are cute, but I would rather have a full-size waffle maker because it takes you like forever to make a couple of these unless you want to buy 2 of them, which I do not want to do. Like I said, it's just because they're cute and small. So if you add in if it boils over and then it's gonna get all over this, you can't take these discs off So you have to like wash it and keep the cord out of the sink. It's really quite annoying. So you see how it's like cooking up? So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Ray is watching me so she can learn how to make it, right babe? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're gonna let it cook a little bit longer, because once we drop this top here, you see how it's doing that? Plays me every time. And it's about to go over, and Ray gets mad because it's a messy cleanup, right Ray? Mm-hmm. Okay, oh, there it goes. That's why we got the plate there. Plays me every time. I'm gonna drop the top. I'm gonna lift it up again. And I'm gonna drop a little bit more cheese. Because the cheese, when it melts, it's what's gonna make it like crispy. If you do it without the cheese, it's just gonna be like a soft egg. I've done it that way. It's really not that great. I mean, I get these are super popular and everybody loves them. Honestly though, they're really not impressed. I prefer the 90-second bread. But that's just because you could add different things to 90-second bread. But we're gonna try it, and because people ask me if I've tried it, and I have, and you know, I always keep it real. So maybe to a fault. So this is only one chaffle. We're gonna need 2. So we're gonna start, because we're gonna make like a steak sandwich with it. So I haven't tried it with egg whites only, but I feel like it probably just tastes the same. I'm gonna have a big breakfast for one. This is just breaking my first meal, I guess. I gotta read this article about if bangs break your fast or not, but I'm still working on it. So I'm gonna have a steak sandwich as my first meal, so it's gonna be a little bit heavier just because I did have a really great workout. I did a lot of weights today. And also we're gonna go to a barbecue later on, so I'm only trying to do the 2 meals today. Okay, why are you sticking? All right, that's your chaffle. I ain't gonna lie though, this looks fire, honey. Oh dang, I outdid myself. This one, if I can get it off. Whoop, hot. Okay, so you heard that's crispy. We're gonna start on number 2. So for this one, I want you guys to hear, okay? So it is like a waffle, okay? It's like a cheese waffle, hence a chaffle, a cheese waffle. So we have our round steak here. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. So here is meal number 1. It is a chaffle steak sandwich. That's what I'm gonna eat. So we got 2 eggs, 1.5 ounces of Colby Jack shredded cheese, and 4 ounces of round steak. So that is meal numero 1. Okay, so before we get any further into this full day of eating, I want to go ahead and thank Let's Get Checked for sponsoring today's video, but also I wanted to touch on this product. So if you guys did not know, my mother does suffer from hypothyroidism. Basically, it's where her thyroid is not producing enough TSH, which is the thyroid stimulating hormone, to keep her body functioning. So it's very important to me to make sure I am watching my thyroid because, you know, it tends to, you know, follow up in the families. So Let's Get Checked does offer a at-home testing kit. So basically you're able to go ahead and test your thyroid. They send you this little kit right here. Everything is very sterile. You go ahead and just follow the instructions and they send you a label. You can ship it out the same day you go ahead and do it, and you will have your results emailed to you within 2 to 5 days, okay? Love that. Love that for us because you don't have to go sit in the doctor's office. You pay your flat fee and you just go ahead and get it tested. You guys, you have to, if you are struggling with weight loss or weight gain and you don't know why, maybe you are gaining weight, you're really tired, you know, you're just not functioning at your best, and you're doing everything in your power to lose this weight,
and, you know, drinking all the coffee, all the energy drinks and nothing, you're really going to want to go ahead and get your thyroid checked. This also goes for somebody with hyperthyroid. If you are just losing the weight, you're super anxious, you're super nervous, something is just not seeming right, get your thyroid checked. So many people suffer from thyroid issues and they just don't understand. They didn't even know, and it's so common. I actually just seen the number. It says 20 million Americans have some form of thyroid disease. Up to 60% of those with thyroid disease are unaware of their condition. Women are 5 to 8 times more likely than men to have thyroid problems. 1 in 8 women will develop a thyroid disorder in her lifetime. So this is if you've noticed your periods are irregular. I mean, there's so many things that come into play. You know, a lot of people who are even having problems conceiving, they'll say, hey, you know what, your thyroid's out of whack. Let's get you on some medication, get that controlled, and that may help. So your thyroid condition is so important. I really suggest, you know, obviously, you know, see your doctor, get your physicals, all those things. But if you feel like all of these are symptoms that you are having, order this kit, send it out. I'm going to give you a discount code right here on the screen. I'm going to link everything down below. Get it checked out. This may be your issue. Okay, so they'll go ahead within 2 to 5 days. You will have your results sent directly to your computer or to your email. Then, you know what, if they say, hey, it's normal, hey, it's off, it's over, you know, whatever, take that, follow up with a doc. Maybe it's just a simple change in some of your eating habits, and, you know, maybe you need more sleep, or maybe this is the underlying condition. So I'm telling you, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to send mine out. Like I said, I always take care of mine. Mine has always been normal, but again, it changes. My mom had a normal thyroid until she was 40, and then it just kind of slowed down and basically stopped working, and she was really sick for a really long time until they got it figured out. So I'm going to link everything down below. Take care of you, my friends. You know, you can't pour from an empty glass. So I'm going to leave everything down below. Thank you for Let's Get Checked for going ahead and sponsoring today's video. I love what you guys are doing. You know, a lot of people have health-induced anxiety, so where they get real nervous about going to the doctor's office and all this stuff. This is a controlled environment. It's in the comfort of your own home. You can go ahead and take care of you. So I'm going to go ahead and link all this down below, and I hope you guys really take advantage of it and, you know, take care of you, because you guys are very special to me, and I want you guys to really maximize your health, okay? So I'm gonna have a little snack because my fats weren't that high. So I'm gonna have some of this Lolly's low carb granola. This is the peanut butter macadamia. It's so good. It's so good, like, because it's gone. We had a couple different ones. I love them all. They were all really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna have this. I have about 1/4 of a cup right now, so that's what I'm gonna snack on. I'm gonna add this into my carb manager because I had that round steak barely had any carbs in it, guys, or any fat in it, I'm sorry. So I wanted to up my fat a little bit so I could stay full. But so that's my snack. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys our food setup. As you can see, not very many keto-friendly eats, but just make the best choices. I went ahead and brought that coleslaw, so I knew it was low carbs, that I can eat it, and then I went ahead and stuck with a protein. I did not choose the ribs because they did have a lot of barbecue sauce on there, and that is full of sugar. So, but this spread was looking real good, y'all, real good. But here is my plate, so you guys can see what I went with. So yeah, you can still make the best choices and still enjoy all the family barbecues and parties, honey. Hey guys, so you've seen the dinner. We had a lot of options there, but not so many keto options. So a few things I wanted to touch on. I had the skirt steak. That's kind of how I placed it. I roughly said about 4 ounces, and then I had that coleslaw. The coleslaw is the keto ginger coleslaw. It's a huge family favorite. All my in-laws love it, so they always request me to make it, which works out for me because then I know what I can and cannot have. So that's kind of a suggestion. Bring maybe a side or a main dish that you know that you can have. So I did not have the ribs. You guys probably seen the ribs and probably like, why didn't you have those? They were, had the Sweet Baby Ray's on them, and that has a ton of sugar in it. So I went ahead and opted out of that. Obviously I opted out of the rice and the beans. So I just stayed to the skirt steak and the coleslaw. They did have some watermelon. I opted out of that as well. So we stayed pretty strict keto, and I drank a ton of water. That's another thing, guys. Drink your water. Don't eat just out of social, to be social. You know what I mean? Eat till you're satisfied and then move on. It was really warm today and I just was not hungry. I haven't really been hungry. I did know that my breakfast was gonna sit kind of heavy, and yeah, I just decided that I was full. I'm gonna show you guys my macros so you guys can kind of see how my day went. Again, guys, I wanna go ahead and touch on Let's Get Checked. Please make sure you go and check their site out. I'm gonna leave their link right here, and I also have a coupon code for 20% off, which is Daniela20. Go ahead, you know, save you some money, and you know, take care of you. You are number one. Take care of you from the inside out. You know, I worry about you. Y'all know I love you, and I know that you guys are putting all this work in. It's worth it, okay? So yeah, go ahead. Here's the link, discount code. Go check them out. You know, see what's really going on. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this day up. Thank you guys so much. Let me show you my macros, and yeah, let's see how we did today. Okay, so let's focus this here. I've had 5 net carbs, which is really, really great. And then I had 59 grams of fat and 90 grams of protein. I just did not hit that fat today. I mean, honestly, guys, these aren't the best macros. Today was way more high protein than anything, but we were eating on the run and we just made the best choices possible. And sometimes, you know, you just don't hit everything. I am not hungry. I'm not going to like try to shove myself full of like additional fat macros to hit them. It is what it is. Not every day is a slam dunk, you know what I mean? So yeah, I had that. This is that beef round tip steak that I had for breakfast with the Colby Jack cheese and the two medium eggs. Then I had the lollies, which was 2 carbs. And then I had the 4 ounces of skirt steak with the serving of coleslaw. I went ahead and just made the recipe in my recipe builder, so that's how I got that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, not, like I said, not the best, but your girl tries, okay? And I also showed you how to make those CHAFFLES. So let me know what you guys think about today. I mean, is every day a slam dunk with the macros for you? I mean, we're human, right? We try, and that's all we can do. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go ahead and shower my kids. You know I love you so much, and I keep it real around here. I'm not like an A1 ketoer. I mean, I try my best every day. I try to make the best decisions and do the best I can for myself. I hit the gym. I tracked everything I ate. I may not have hit every macro on the head, but I tried. And that's all you can do in the long run, guys. Take care of yourself. Make sure you go ahead and check out those links down below. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.